Hello folks, today I'm going to be showing you all the easy fire starter. I had originally planned on making it into fire briquettes, but this way is easier and it's an easy fire starter for you. It burns good and it lights up quick, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. It's very simple. Alright, there's some used cooking oil we had from our deep fryer, and all I'm going to do is just put some sawdust. All you're going to do is you're going to put some sawdust in here. This is just what I started out with. You're going to need to put more in after you get it mixed around. What you're wanting to look for is you want it to be more drier than wetter. If it's wet, even though it's used cooking oil, it still won't burn good. See, I put that much in and you're already having to put more in. This is an easy fire starter using stuff that you've had left over. You can reuse it again. Just going to put some more in. Mix it all around again. If you was to do this, I recommend you put gloves on, because it takes a little bit for you to get that oil off your hands, and it just cleans up quicker. Now, I ain't going to bore you, so that's the finished product. And what you're going to do is you're going to let it sit for a couple days till it's all dried out. Alright, let it sit out for a couple days. This is our first fire, October 8th. See how quick it took off? It's just very simple, very easy to do. It only takes two things. Just use cooking oil and sawdust. It's stuff there we wasn't going to use, we just going to get rid of. But you can see how useful it is. It starts quick, and it burns hot. Very simple. Alrighty folks, that's the end of the video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And it's Friday. Y'all have a good, safe, and blessed weekend. See you Monday. Bye.